small block high performance engine, big block high performance engine. Even the new electric crate engines would be nice, but I can't afford to go that route yet. But hey, maybe one day we will convert this over to a electric crate engine. That'd be a lot of fun. So honest truth, I've been trying to figure out what kind of power plant to even find and put into Project Powerless Ranger, which is powerless. So yeah, I have no engine for this truck, and I can't afford to buy, well, an original engine or even a good Ford engine for it. I don't want to put a 460 in it. I already have problems enough with the 460 I have. It's a Survivor truck I picked up for $300 with no engine, but it's a 74 Ranger XLT air conditioning, and it's all here other than the engine and transmission, which unfortunately, as we all know, 360s and 390s and FE engines for these trucks are kind of difficult to come across. So finding one has been problematic, seeing as I need an engine for my own truck and I have only one good block and pistons and extra engine parts I scavenged from the rusty 30-year full of water 360. I still have all those parts, so I have more than enough parts to build one good engine, but I'd rather put it in Decepticon. So fortunately for us, I got a whole bunch of Chrysler engines just kicking around. This is an old Chrysler 318. It came out of a pickup truck at one point. It didn't run very well. I think it has a burnt valve. Here's another 318. This came out of a Chrysler Diplomat. This is a car engine. Transmission was good. Don't know how good the engine was, so I sold the transmission. Still have the engine. This is another 318. This came out of my Demon. Actually, originally my Dart Demon came out of my Dodge car. Anyways, it's been sitting around for many years. It's a 72 vintage block with non-pollution heads. It's going to get a rebuild one day. And right here I have a 2.4 liter turbo PT Cruiser engine with transmission, computer, whole package. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with this yet, but I'm thinking maybe we should put this into Project Powerless Ranger. We could put a little 4-cylinder 2.4 liter turbo into that F-250. That would be an engine swap. Or we can put this engine in, and it's a Chrysler 400 big block with the transmission with 76,000 original kilometers on it. So I think this might be a better fit. It has air conditioning, it has the power steering pump on it. It's pretty much a complete package with low miles. Probably go well in this project. This isn't your conventional Dodge engine swap, I know that. Normally people are putting a 12 valve 6-cylinder Cummins or diesel engine in these old trucks. I'm not a huge fan of diesel. I'd like to have one, but can't afford it. But I gotta do the next best thing. I can't afford an FE engine either, so this 400 big block is going to be the candidate for Project Powerless Power Ranger. This is going to give it power. Project Powerless Ranger is now going to get a big block Mopar. Thanks for watching.